put in at Rushing River Provincial Park on the Dogtooth Lake. So we're going to paddle that for a few hours today. A little bit of sun, a little bit of overcast. Not too bad in temperatures. Upper 70s right now. Right now we're paddling what they call the canoe trail with Big Island over here to our left. And there's supposed to be a couple campsites on this island to our right. We're just gonna check out and see what they look like. So this is going to be one of the camp spots along the canoe trail. We finished up our lunch and had a short swim. So we're going to paddle on and see what else we can see. Boy, that's a big rock right there. Giant rock right under us. It's, I don't know, I was gonna say 2 trucks, but it's still going. Semi-truck long. This area is so cool though, with the rock faces that come off the islands. And then you can see where the other big rocks have sloughed off of that and they're laying down in the water. This water's pretty clear too. Sneak through there or no?
Yep.
We just slipped through the rocks on this little tiny island, but that rock right at the edge of it, I mean, it just drops off where you can't see bottom. It's got to be 10 to 12 foot, and then I can't see no further. Stub your toe. You want to go through there, or? Maybe I'll go through there. Well, I'm seeing the boat launch up ahead of us, so that's going to be the end of it for our day trip today. About to make it back and pack up, load up the truck and trailer, and head on to camp for the night.